So we were out for a long drive and the thunderstorm hits. So we are stuck on Deerfoot. It's raining and hailing crazy right now. We just came back in our community and we got to know there are few areas where it's been flooded. That's big, Sarish. Check this. Okay, it's all... It's inside too? Huh? It's inside too? Like in the circle?
Maybe.
Because we live there.
Oh, you live there?
Yeah.
We went
Yeah.
to
Oh my god, that's deep. That's yours? Oh my god.
and I left the window when the water is still the sea.
You have insurance, right? Does this cover? Oh, okay. Check the hill. And this, look at this. Look at that. It's crazy. It's all flooded. This is just 2 blocks from my home where we live. It was full of water here. Now it's all empty. That was the area where it was all flooded. There's still people are cleaning their houses. You can see how bad it is. So you can see these cars were all flooded, like they were underwater halfway. It's still like it's the drain. Now fire. Right? Shut up, man. Oh. We are out for a walk and you already saw it was all flooded there. Now it's almost clear. See the storm. It's evening. It's still, the sun is still out. जी कितने हो रहे? 9:30 हो रहे? Second, and you can see there is a school. I don't know which school is this? Bishop?
चाहे डूब गई होगी उसकी गाड़ी डूब गई है उसे पानी भर गया पूरा सीन
Oh, I see. See the cars from here.
It's a ship coming जिसके पास ट्रक है ना उसका फायदा है
Yeah, look at this, man.
वो पीछे हट गया
People, yeah.
ये पूरा दिन यहीं रहने वाली गाड़ी
It's not going to start.
पानी
हाँ?
निकल रहा है इसके सिलेंडर